Let me take you on a sea cruise. Okay, today I want to show you something that might be helpful to you if you are putting banner ads on a website or if you're a Canadian blogger using Blogger and you want to put websites on. For example, here I am on remote job opportunities. As you can see, I have some spaces delegated here for ads. I can show you how to add those another day. But right now, we want to add an affiliate banner in here. So see your ad here. Now, different companies will have a variety of different ads you can use. So this one, I'm just going to Control V, paste that in there. Change that from see your ad here to affiliate because this is an affiliate. If it were an ad, it would be labeled ad. It's always important to be upfront and honest in everything you do. So I'm going to hit save. And as you can see, this ad is way too big for the opportunity I have available here on this website. I might put it up above here, but I would like it to fit in here. So I'm going to show you what to do. So I'm going to click the little wrench there to edit this, take it back out, return this to say see your ad here. In case somebody comes by while I'm doing this. Someone would like to buy ad space there. I have ad spaces available for rent. So we take this out, Control A, Control C, Control X rather, and save that again. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a new post. And quick way to get in there with this template. This template is one of the templates I really like in Blogger because it's a little pencil there. I can get into my back room this way. It's a little sneaky way to get in. There. So create a new post and go into the HTML and Control V to paste that in there. Back into Compose View. Now, as you can see, it appears to be looking fine there, but we know already it does not fit. So this is what we do to it. Click on it, and we can do this one of two ways. You're going to click on the picture where it says Insert Image and edit the image, clicking on the pencil. And we can change, I believe a medium size is the size that would work for me. And what is nice about this too is, as you can see, you can edit the alt text and the title text to make this a searchable image, to make your banner searchable. So I'm going to click Update, and I am going to add it, make sure it's in the middle here, center a line. I'm not going to take the time right now to put the title text and everything in because this video is just on how to resize a banner so that it fits into the space allotted for it. So we're going to preview, see if it would fit. As we can see, it would fit in there. It's a little hard to see, and I believe it could be bigger. So we're going to go back in here, and we're going to try the next size up. Edit the image, click large, update, preview. Let's see what it looks like now. Might be able to make that image even a bit bigger. Now, the original size was 728, which is not great, and they didn't have one that was bigger than, smaller than that. This is the other way you can edit, is when you click on your banner, you'll see right beside the A, there's a little image size there, extra large. So we'll preview that. Oh, no, that is too big. So we'll have to go with the next size down. So here we are back in here again. So it's a little. So now we know on this blog, large is the largest one we can find. Now we have that. We click on our HTML, scoop the code, Control A, Control copy, and go back to our blog view. Clicking on the post, just go up through one of the eyes here, and now we'll click on see your ad here. Deposit that, change this to affiliate, and click save. And as you can see, we do have it here. It's not terribly clear, but it will do for now. It's a doofer until we can find one that's a better size. So anyway, I hope this is helpful to you. So this little tip has been on how to resize a banner ad so it will fit in the space allotted. Have a great day. Remember to pray. Remember to click the Canadian flag, subscribe, click the bell as well, and tell all your friends if you do find these things useful to you. And if there's something else you'd like to find out about things that you view on my variety of blogs that you've seen, just leave a comment there or connect with me on Twitter is probably the best way to get a hold of me. Have a great day.